John had just moved into a quiet neighborhood. One day he installed a simple doorbell outside his house so guests could ring before entering. The next morning, a letter arrived from the HOA. $200. Fine. Reason? The doorbell design was not approved by the HOA. John couldn't believe it. It was just a tiny doorbell. So the next day, John removed the doorbell. But instead, he put a huge metal bell outside his gate and a hammer next to it with a sign. Since the doorbell isn't allowed, please ring this. Now every visitor, bang, bang, bang. The whole neighborhood could hear it. A week later, the HOA sent another letter. This time it said, "You may reinstall your small doorbell.